Indian forces, in their unabated acts of state terrorism and gross human rights violations, martyred 919 children during the last 35 years in occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of World Children's Day today revealed that 919 children were among the 96,274 people martyred by the troops and paramilitary and police personnel since January 1, 1989 till date. The report said that the killing of civilians by the forces rendered 107,934 children orphaned in the occupied territory. Indian Forces personnel on Monday launched a cordon and search operation in the Rajouri district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the operation was launched in Saloki forest area of the district. Indian military officials claimed that the joint operation was conducted on the information about presence of Mujahideen in the area. As the World Children's Day is being observed all over the world today, the children in occupied Kashmir continue to remain the biggest victim of the Indian atrocities, said jailed Hurriyat leaders. According to Kashmir Media Service, the illegally detained Hurriyat leaders, in their message on the day, drew the attention of the international community to the plight of tens of thousands of the children in the internationally recognized disputed territory. Kashmir Traders Alliance has raised serious concerns over the prevalent unscheduled power cuts in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Ijaz Shahdar, the president of KTA, said as winter set in, the valley is grappling with prolonged and unscheduled power disruptions. An 18-year-old youth was found dead under mysterious circumstances in the Budgam district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth, identified as Sameer Ahmed Rathar, was lying outside his house with the injuries on his head and ear. The locals suspected that he was murdered. A protest demonstration was held in the Poonch district against the anti-people policies of the occupation regime. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protest was held in Mender area of the district. The protesters said that the village has no water supply for the last 1 month. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said cricket should be played in a sporting spirit and not treated as if it was a war. According to Kashmir Media Service, when asked about her views on the defeat of India in the Cricket World Cup at Ahmedabad on Sunday, she said the then Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and the Pakistan President Pervez Musharraf attended the India-Pakistan cricket matches in each other's countries.